Introduction to Online IT Certification Exams.
Earning an IT certification can boost your career and expand your technical skills. Today, many certifications offer the option to take exams online from home. Whether you're new to the process or feeling uncertain, this guide will walk you through each step of scheduling, preparing for, and completing your first online IT certification exam confidently.
Choosing and scheduling your certification exam.
Start by selecting the right certification based on your career goals and expertise. Popular choices include CompTIA A+, Google IT Support, or Microsoft certifications. Once chosen, create an account on the provider's website, review exam requirements, and register for the online exam. Choose a comfortable time slot, ensuring you'll be free from interruptions.
Preparing for the exam, study and technical setup.
Dedicate time to studying using official guides, practice tests, and online resources. Review the specific exam objectives and question formats. Before exam day, make sure your computer meets technical requirements. This often means a stable internet connection, a webcam, and updated software. Test your setup using any tools provided by the exam service.
Exam day, creating the ideal test environment.
On exam day, choose a quiet, well-lit room free from distractions. Remove study materials, phones, and personal items from your workspace. Most online proctoring systems require you to verify your identity and scan your environment before starting. Follow all instructions carefully to avoid delays or disqualification.
Taking the exam and next steps.
Remain calm during the exam and read each question thoroughly before answering. Use available tools like flags or notes to track difficult questions. After submitting your exam, you'll usually receive results immediately or within a few days. Celebrate your achievement and consider your next steps, such as updating your resume or planning for further certifications.